Let's start. Today we will see how to use the Clipboard Manager in Flutter Android. Open the pubspec.yaml file and write this clipboard dependency. Then click the pub get button and wait for the dependency integration. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart and clipboard.dart packages. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomepage. This is the myHomepage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomepage state. This is _myHomepage state class. Here we will design our app. These are the data members. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. Here we specify the title of the app bar. The body attribute, we have a container widget. Inside that, we have a column widget. The first child in the column is a text form field widget. In this widget, a user can enter the text. When the user enters some text in this field, this onChanged function gets called. Here we store the entered text in a variable. Then, we have a text widget. Here we will show the copy-pasted text from the Clipboard Manager. At last, we have an elevated button. When the button is clicked, first, we check if the entered text is empty or not. If it is not empty, then, we call the copy text to the clipboard function. This is the copy text to clipboard function. Here, we copy the text that the user has entered in the text field. Then, we retrieve that text using the paste function and store it in the copied text variable. This variable is used in the text widget that we had used above. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can use the Clipboard Manager in Flutter Android. Thank you.